money making machine which will earn for me. Like anyone who click on this blog, automatically I will get 900 impression from that click, because I just repeated the ads code in there to get huge impression. And using this method you can also get this impression very easily from Adsterra and from Blogger. So now see, so guys, what we are gonna do now, first we have to copy the all script code from the Adsterra. So you have to first generate all the code if you didn't generate it yet. So I have already created all, that's why no more balance code in there. First I will get all the code. Like I first copy the code and paste it in a Excel sheet, I mean Google sheet. You can paste it Excel sheet or Google sheet, whatever you like, and let's format it just okay. So one by one, now what I'm going to do is copying all the code, script code from the Adsterra and paste it in a Excel sheet. This is very important because we are going to make a huge impression by this method. Okay, so see, now I'm collecting all the script code from the Adsterra. Okay, so one by one, let's speed it up. Okay, I hope all the code is now done. Total I have taken 9 code from the Adsterra, which is very easy to collect. Let's count it, 1 2 and total 9. Okay, now my ads code is ready. Now I need a blog. So for that I just prompt inputted make a blog about how to get 10,000 impression in HTML body format. So my blog also ready. I just copy the blog and paste it in the same Google sheet. Okay, you have to post it, double click after, then it will put in a one cell. So let's minimize it first. Okay, now see, my blog is ready, my ad code is ready. Now how I will get, I mean 900 impression just in one click. Okay, 900 impression in one click means if 10 people click, 9,000. So let's first copy the first 3 code, each code 100 times, that means 3 code, total 300 times I just copied. You had to do the same method and rest of the code also same way. Each code 100 times you have to copy and paste. Okay, so now you have been seeing that all the code is pasted very clearly, rest of the code also. Now my all content is ready. Now what I'm going to do is copy the full text from there and I will put it in my Blogger as a new post. So I'm going to make a new post and paste it here. After that I need a nice title. Already I have generated it, so I'll copy it from the head code h1 and I paste it here. It's in title. Now I just publish it. That's okay. Now see what is going to happen. Now I'm going to preview it or view my blog post. Let's first view this. See, my blog is loading with ads, and this is the money making machine which will earn for me. Like anyone who click on this blog, automatically I will get 900 impression from that click, because I just repeated the ads code in there to get huge impression. And using this method, you can also get this impression very easily from Adsterra and from Blogger. So now see, whenever I am going to scroll, all the impression is going to count. And there is a method, secret method you have to follow. You cannot do it by your own IP. Because Adsterra have your own IP and he will not count it as a viewer. I mean, he will count the impression but not CPM. Increase the CPM. So to increase CPM, you have to do a method. Now I am going to show this method, which is 100% worth. If you start with just 10% with this method, you will definitely get 9,000 impression every day. Just 10 minutes work, like 10 minutes, 1 hour, whatever you took, you can get this easily. So now I just full loaded my blog. My all ad is now loaded 100%. Now I'm gonna show you a secret method which is very easy and very effective. So this is my blog post and I'm gonna get 9,000 impression by just using this link. So what I'm gonna do, I will share this link with my close 10 friend and I will tell him that please load this website just one time and with full loading time. Like when he click, he do not need to read or he do not need to stay on this page. He just load it fully, whatever times he need. So if my 10 friend or my family member, but same Wi-Fi will not work for this. You have to do same mobile IP or different IP. Then 10 people if click on this link, I will get 9,000 impression by just one link. So the number is depend on you. You have 10 friends, you will get 9,000. You have 20 friends, whatever. Or if you have a good group, Telegram group or any WhatsApp group where you have some friends, you can share this link to here, and just by clicking on this link you will definitely get 9,000. I am now just refreshing. This is 30 impression now showing, so it will just take a little time to show the statistics in the Adsterra. Let's try it again. Okay, now it's showing only 30. Now see, impression 636 already counted, but as I did not stay on that page for a little long time, that's why not full 900 is not visible, not showing. Also there is another things you have to avoid. Pop under code you cannot repeat 100 times because pop under is not work on that method. It will only work on hard code. So for that, if you use pop under, then the view, I mean the count is will not, the impression will not count. So you have to do it with another code, like another banner code. You just repeat it 200 times, 100 times and 200 times, like instead of pop under. That's why there is some impression is not counting. Also I didn't stay on my blog for a little time. That's also a reason. So but you can see by using this method is definitely going to get 9,000 impression every day. So let's start.